Hi, this is Ming. I'm here to show you how to apply Ocelot update to fix this issue in the consultation. Let's see the issue first. So the issue is when in consultation, click on the eyes or any picture, it will show in the file not found error. This is only happens on Windows 25 H2, Windows 11. Okay, to overcome this issue, you close Ocelot first, then go to the download link to download the Ocelot update. Double click to open and go to Ocelot folder, C Ocelot. If you don't see any folder called update, create a folder called update and drag the files, everything into that folder. Now from here, you have two tasks. First one, you need to double click and copy that on the utility folder. So under utility, C, Ocelot, utility, paint.net. You have that paint.net file. Next, you go back to the update, double click the OC updater and run. Yes. This on the main computer, you click update Ocelot. On the client computer, you're going to run as update Ocelot client. Once successfully, click exit. Then let's go back to Ocelot. Go to consultation. If you click that, it will use paint.net to do. So if you want to do something here, or you will make a bit wider, then you can save. Now the change is when we use paint.net, you have two steps to save. Click save, then it will ask you your configuration and click OK. And that's all the updates. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.